Hello everyone, I'm Ming and today, now let's see about today's topics and you see about these videos. And in this presentation, you see many people there are doing activities, doing exercise to improve the bodies. And today we will see about the importance of exercise. And exercise is the activities that we do to improve our body's health and even it happens in benefit too. And even playing playing some sports and doing exercise is very important in our lives. And even now let's see more about the importance of exercise. Now let's see about why exercise is important. Do you know that regular exercise is essential for overall well-being and it prevents the chronic disease, strengthens muscles and even bones, enhance and brain function, and even boosts mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. And even exercise plays a key role in maintaining our well-being. This plays a very important part in a boy's life. And now let's go to the next point. Next, you see about some common types of exercise. Exercise have many activities that you can do. But this is some common kinds that you see everyone doing that around you. For example, we can running. Runnings can improve the cardiovascular fitness. That is, will burns the calories inside your bodies when you eat. And it also have strengthens bonds because you need to run very much once you go running. And it also boosts the mood through the release of endorphins. And this is also the kinds of ways that you release stress inside your bodies if you are stressful. Next, the next exercise, you can cycling. And cycling is a low impact exercise. That's also that even strengthens our legs because we need to paddles in the pan and the panels really much that we need to panel it for the bicycle to go. So it's also improve our health of the bone. It's also improve the cardiovascular health, like the running activities, and it will boost adherence while being easy for the joints. And this is why many people go cycling in the parks that if you can see. And the next one is swimming. And swimming is the full body workout that builds muscle strength because of you need to use your hands, your arms to pick through the waters. So you'd go, and that builds the muscle strength, improve lung capacities because you need to under breath under the water because underwater you don't have oxygen to breathe and enhance flexibility with minimal joint stress. And this is why I like going swimming very much. And next you will see about the benefits of exercise. Before, you can see about some common exercise, and now you will see about its more clearly about its benefits. That events in total, it also helps control the weight and usually burns the fat inside our bodies. And even it also have strengthens the immune system, or even it also improves the sleep quality. By the activities doing exercise, you could have a has a very deep sleep that you sleep like a dog and also improve the energy levels too. And it also reduce risks of chronic disease. That is a very important benefits of doing exercise to every people. And now let's see about the next part. And the next one, you should know about the common workout mistake. That you know that inside the working activities and exercising activities, people won't do all the activities correctly. They also have some mistakes inside doing activities. For example, you can see many people make mistakes during workouts that can lead to injury or slow progress. And this is the disadvantages of doing exercise and avoiding the common errors to get the most out of your exercise routine. For example, you must learn about the workout mistake that the peoples often warn in. That you will see they often skip warms up before exercising. For example, the people often skip the warm up before going swimming, and that would make the disaster that they would drown because of the legs being broken, the muscles, and exercising too hard without rest is also a mistake with some people who have a very big importance to making his the targets, and also they they often make the mistake like repeat the same routine or use the incorrect technicals. And this also causes many few other problems too. You would know more on the internet. And the next ones, once you see about the benefits of exercising and the errors in exercising, you must know about how you get healthy to exercise. Is by the healthy food. For example, to eat food to keep your body fit and healthy for exercise. For example, you eat vegetable, fruits, and eggs because vegetable helps your digestive in your digestive infections works more faster. And fruits have also like that. The eggs have you taller. Fish likes milk. The fish have your eyes brighter. Rice have improved your body protein, and milk also like that. And you need to avoid eating too much fast food. That fast food is very bad for your body when you're exercising too much. Because if you eat the fast food, it will make the bodies, when you eat a healthy diet and then you eat a little fast food, you feel like your body being broken. And also, you need to avoid the soft drinks and unhealthy snacks, like the chip snacks around us. And this is all the healthy food you need to eat for doing exercising regularly. The next ones, you must know about some tips for better workouts. And I will have some tips for you that to improve your workouts and get the best results. You need to follow these simple but effective tips every time you exercise. First, you need to warm up before exercise, and you need to drink enough water beside you exercising really hard. And even you need to exercise regularly and rest properly. Besides exercising, you also need to rest uh, to uh, to repair the muscle inside your bodies. Because when only you rest the muscle, that is the time the muscles being grown. Notice the time you exercise then. And so you also need to keep a healthy diet to support your bodies that I've talked in the last slides then. And this is all about my videos. And bye everyone. Thanks for watching.